The standing single-arm cable front raise is an exercise that targets the anterior deltoid muscle on the front of the shoulder. Here's how to do it correctly. Set the pulley to the lowest setting on the cable machine. Stand facing away from the cable machine, then grab the cable rubber stop ball with one hand using a neutral palm-facing in grip with no handle attached. Step away from the cable machine so the cable remains taut at the bottom of the lift. You can stand with your feet shoulder-width apart with a slight bend in your knees or with your feet slightly staggered to create more stability. Position your free hand on your hip or let it hang naturally by your side. With your core engaged and chest upright, slowly raise your straight arm in front of you until it reaches shoulder height or slightly just above. Avoid using momentum or swinging your arm to keep the movement slow and controlled. Hold the raised position for a second to fully engage your shoulder muscles, then slowly return your arm to the starting position in a controlled motion while keeping tension on the muscle. Maintain good posture to ensure you do not shrug your shoulder or arch your back. Repeat all the reps on one arm, then switch arms and repeat. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.